Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Tuesday the 21st of October. Taking a look at tomorrow's weather map, we can see a couple of low pressure troughs lying across the continent. The first, extending from central areas and into the east, is driving very hot conditions, particularly across the Northern Territory, parts of New South Wales and throughout Queensland. Our second low pressure trough is moving from Western Australia into South Australia tomorrow, joining up with a cold front and low pressure trough to produce wet and stormy weather across parts of central and southeastern Australia tomorrow. Further west, more settled weather is on the way, with cooler southerly flow pushing up across Western Australia. Now, we've issued two other videos here at the Bureau today to better tell that weather story. The first is a severe weather update video focused on the heat and elevated fire dangers expected across parts of northern and eastern Australia over the coming days. The second is a weather update video focused on that wet and stormy weather brewing further south. If you want more detailed information on either of those stories, we recommend you check out our other videos. For now though, we're going to take a brief state-by-state look at tomorrow's forecast, starting with Queensland. The chance of morning fog about the central and southeast Queensland coasts tomorrow, then a generally sunny and settled day. It will be very hot, however. Temperatures above average throughout the state, particularly through those central and southern inland areas. We are even seeing severe heatwave conditions building across far western parts of Queensland. For Brisbane tomorrow, a sunny day is on the way with a top of 30 degrees. In New South Wales tomorrow, a hot and generally sunny day. Temperatures particularly high across the northern inland and northwest of the state. We are likely to see a few very light passing showers in the far south and the chance of an afternoon thunderstorm across the central west and parts of the east coast between the Illawarra and the mid-north coast. Now, those thunderstorms tomorrow are likely to be isolated, non-severe and not bring too much rainfall to the gauges. For Sydney tomorrow, we're heading for a mostly sunny day and a top of 23 degrees. Down in Canberra, a shower or two with a top of 30 degrees. In Victoria tomorrow, cloud and showers building throughout the morning. Those showers tending scattered in the afternoon across the western districts, with the chance of a thunderstorm there too. Now, we may in fact see double-digit rainfall totals across parts of the Wimmera and southern Mallee tomorrow, with generally low rainfall totals expected elsewhere. For Melbourne, we're heading for a top of 20 degrees with showers developing. In Tasmania tomorrow, isolated showers continuing across western parts of the state, generally dry through the east. Winds as well will be fairly moderate. Really, tomorrow is a little bit of a break from that wet and windy weather we've been seeing quite a lot of recently. For Hobart tomorrow, a cloudy day with a top of 17 degrees. In South Australia tomorrow, showers, rain areas and thunderstorms extending throughout the state, driven by this low pressure trough and cold front you can see approaching here. Ahead of that rain, we are expecting very hot conditions in the north and northeast in particular, cool to mild conditions further to the southeast. Now, rainfall totals are likely to be fairly patchy across inland parts of the state, but we could see some moderate falls across parts of the Eyre Peninsula and the southeast. We may also see some damaging wind gusts or large hail across parts of the northwest pastoral through the afternoon. For Adelaide tomorrow, we are expecting a top of 26 degrees, showers with a thunderstorm or two developing. In Western Australia tomorrow, isolated showers and thunderstorms across the interior of the state, gradually easing back as the low pressure trough driving that weather moves into South Australia. We're also likely to see partly cloudy skies and a few showers in the south as well, but generally dry conditions further inland. For Perth, we're heading for a partly cloudy day and a top of 21 degrees. In the Northern Territory tomorrow, hot conditions are expected, temperatures well above average in most places, and heatwave conditions continuing about the Tiwi Islands and across parts of the western top end. It will be a bit of a drier day for the top end though, just a few light showers in the far west. Showers and thunderstorms are also possible from the Kimberley in Western Australia, pushing down across southwestern parts of the Territory too. They're not likely to bring too much rainfall to the gauges, but we could see some strong and gusty winds in the far southwest of the Northern Territory. For Darwin tomorrow, we're heading for a top of 36 degrees with mostly sunny skies. Now, you can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website, the BOM Weather app and via our social media. You can also find that information on the Bureau's new website, which is going to launch this Wednesday, the 22nd of October. You can find a link for that new website in the post on this video. Till then, have a good day and we'll catch you next time.